Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve multi-layer fraction question. So how to solve this question? Let's start with today's video. So our first step is to take the lowest part, that is 3 minus 1 over 4. So I'm going to solve it as 3 minus 1 over 4. So I'll take the LCM. This is 12 minus 1. That is 11 by 4. So in place of 3 minus 1 over 4, I can write it as 11 by 4. So we know the identity that 1 over A by B is always equals to B by A. So I can write this as 1 minus 1 over 2 minus 4 over 11. Now I'm considering this part and solve it. 2 minus 4 over 11. I'll take the LCM. So here 11, 22 minus 4, that is 18 by 11. So 1 minus 1 over 18 by 11. Now again I'm using this rule. So I'll write it as 1 minus 11 over 18. And I'll take the LCM. It is 18. So 18 minus 11 is 7 over 18. So our answer for this fraction is 7 by 18. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.